and you want to add sound to it or have more effect, was pretty easy. The thing you have to do is to locate the little hamburger menu on the end of the timeline. You just go there and you have to convert in video animation, and then what it does, it actually each frame of your GIF is converted into video footage. You can press play and see that it's working well. Okay, all good. And it gives you several other options that I won't cover right now, but like say you could like play with the opacity, you could play with the position, you can add some style. So this is like, it's like a mini After Effects some sort. And what you can also do is near the audio channel here, audio track, you just go and add audio to it, and then you pick any wave, MP3, like the most known audio format, and see it just come at the end, and that's it. You have your animation with sound, and you don't have that many options to go and really do sound editing. With video, it's better to go in Premiere, After Effects, or work the sound in Audition for that matter. But you know, it gives you some stuff here. So let's say you want to cut your video at the top end. You just take your reading head here, and you can press on the scissors, so it will cut. And I want to get rid of that because it's too long, so I click somewhere else to deselect it. I re-click on the over stuff, and see, and what is nice is the actual time frame will just stretch to whatever is longer on the timeline, so I never have to bother about my timeline. So it's pretty easy for someone who just started with video or for a very quick job. What other option you have? You can just go right click on your audio channel, so you could go with fade in, fade out. Let's say your audio don't have enough volume because your level were too low, you can increase the volume here in Photoshop and make it louder. So this could be convenient if you were not in the idle situation where you recorded. Once you're done, you just press on the little arrow on the bottom of your timeline, and that's it. It will render it to the like most okay setting that are fine for YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, etc.